Good afternoon, YouTube. How you doing? This is Michelle Morar. Today I want to talk about growing a small trading account in a turbulent market. Turbulent times, turbulent market. Let's take a look at it. I wanted to show you. Let me tell you first of all where I am, what happened. I opened my Robinhood trading account on April 13th. Let me just put these up here first. The first deposit was on April 13th, and it was $750. That was my big first the first thing that I put in there, $750. On the next week, April 20th, I did 750, so that totaled $1,500 to open the account and to get started. But I did not stop there. On July the 1st, I put in $200. And the reason I put in $200 is I was looking at $2,000 monthly. We're looking at an individual who's not necessarily making a lot of money, and I'm going to show you how I actually grew this account. It wasn't quickly, and I'm going to walk you through how I am going to grow this account. We're going to keep up with it. July the 1st, I put $200 in. 10% of 2,000 is $200. And then August the 8th, I put another $200 in. On, it looks like September the 15th, I put another $200 in. I was trying to do it consistently on a monthly basis. I was a little lackadaisical there. I did not keep it on like the 1st. And then on December the 1st, I put in 600 because that was October, November, December. October, November, December. Now, that equals 600, and 600 equals $1,200. Now, so you got 1,500 that I initially did, and then the 1,200 matching in just contributing to my account, making consistent equal installments. This is what I started out with, 750, 750, 1,500. So let's look at it. Let's look at it. 1,200 is what I put in. More money into the account. So this is mostly funded with just putting money into it. And because I know a lot of people like to, let me just show you. Let me get in here and let me show you. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. I guess present, share my screen, and let's go into the Robinhood. Okay, so first of all, let's go back over here. You can see in my account there is $3,084.96, almost $3,085. So there you see it right now. Put that on there. $3,084.96. I'm going to subtract out 1,500, and we get 3,084.96 minus 1,500 is 1,584.96. And then subtract out another 1,200 because that's how much I contributed, 1,200 extra dollars. So I actually made $384.96 in this account. Let me get over here and stop sharing my screen. Oh, shoot. You didn't even see it, did you? You didn't even see it. You didn't tell me. Okay, there's the $3,084.96. Put 1,500 in initially, and then I put another 1,200 in, but that leaves $384.96. So I have grown my account. Let's see, divide that by 3084.96 is about 12%. Got a 12% return right now. Not too bad. Not too bad. There it is. That's what I've done. Now, let me show you what I'm going to do. This is, so let's talk about this a second. Let me stop sharing the screen and let's stop sharing. Do you have any questions so far? So you're looking at me actually putting in the majority of the money. Now, let's talk about this just a second. Because if we're trying to grow our account small to big, and I've gotten a 12% return so far this year. And if you look at that 12%, you basically, if over it, how long would that take an account growing at 12%? How long would that take to double? Because what we're looking at is we're wanting to go with my little double deal here, starting with $1 to $1 million. We started out actually at 1,500, so we're all the way over here on this side of the ledger because I want to grow big money, big money. I want to grow it, and so do you. So do you. Let's talk about this just a minute here. The number one thing is consistency. You have to be consistent. That is number one. When you're growing a small account, you need to keep on growing it. Remember, I'm putting in the $200 each and every month, and I skipped 3 months and made up for it because I just had not had time to do it. I had allocated that money to go there, but I had not actually done the transfer. Consistency. What else? Number two thing that you need to be thinking about is patience. Patience, grasshopper. Consistency and patience. Consistency and patience. These are two main principles that these are principles that you need to grow your small account. And I have a goal. Number 3 is you have an overall goal that you need to be working on. You need to have a goal or a vision of what you want to happen. Consistency, patience, and a goal. These are all things that you need to be looking at. My goal is to get to over $1 million, right? So that's 20 doubles. Now, I am going to talk to you about what I'm going to do right now. And I have here, and I suggest that you do it too, I have a little notebook here, and I'm going to put in, let me share with you, I was looking at a guy, I'm not totally familiar with options. I know a little bit. Most of the $384 that I made was through options, trading options. That's why I like to use Robinhood. And because they don't cost anything as far as doing the option trading, and they will allow you to grow your account, which is fantastic. They want you to have a big, huge account. So I'm writing down, I'm going to share with you, I'm going to go here to optionstrat.com. I'm going to share my screen again, try to do that, share the screen, share it, and let's, did I do it? All right, yeah. So over here, we're looking at coin. And I'm looking at, I was watching Investing with Henry, and he is a option trader, and I wanted to share with you, look at this. This is what I am looking at doing. I am looking at doing with an expiration date of December the 16th, and I'm going to sell the call at 51, and I am going to buy the call at 56. And the break even is 51.98. 51.98, and that would be, you have a maximum profit on here of $98. That's the max profit, and I'm writing everything down. A max loss of $402. And that comes out to, so that's what I'm looking to do. This is what I'm going to do. Let me go over here to coin. Let me put that in, enter. Well, crap. Let's see. Let's trade the coin options, baby. Let's just do it. So he was talking about sell the call option at a different time, but I'm going to go up here, right here. This is December the 16th, so that's basically about 2 weeks. You can go over here if I am going to sell the call, and I'm going to look at the 51. He was talking about the delta. Now that's a 36.3614 delta, which means that there's a 36% chance that I guess I could lose the trade, right? But because of the things that are going on with coin, with all the this is the cryptocurrency stuff that's going on, all the bad press and all that, that's why I am looking at it. And then you look at, because if, let me do this. Where's it do it? Where's it at? Okay, let's go back. And then buying the call would be at 56 is where I'm looking at. He did his at 60, but if I do it looking right there, it's got a 20% chance. But he was talking about the implied volatility. That is an important thing. It has to be over 40. I'm just telling you what I am learning. But let's just go to this, and let me go back. Trade the coin options, and so we're going to sell the call at 51 on the 16th. So that's 2 weeks from today. Doing the 51, so I'm going to add that. And you can see when you look right here, the maximum profit is, it says $198. And it has an unlimited loss. So you do not want to do that. That's why you want to go back over here and buy a call. And I picked 56. I just want to look and see. If I did the 60. Huh. Let me look real quick. If I change this to 60, it's got 138 profit, but the max loss is 762. That's why I was not that keen on doing that. I wanted to lower my cost because I'm trying to grow the account. And this would give me at 56, December the 16th. So if I add that one, it's actually going to be an expected profit and loss of 106 maximum profit, 394 on the, let me write that down. They got 105. It changes as the price of this goes up and down. So anyhow, continue, review the order, and submit, and done. Now we'll see if I am able to, we will see if I am able to make a good trade here. But that's how I'm planning on doing it. But the one thing that he was talking, he said, you can grow your account. You can grow your account, your small account. That has a maximum loss of $395. So if you have $395, now the one thing that you want to look at is, of course, I'm looking at, I have $3,000 in my trading account. I'm not risking the whole thing. That is a mismanagement. So I'm taking a portion and growing. But if you look at that, if you're looking at 105, you divide that by 395, that's about a 26% return. And that is in 2 weeks. So if you did that consistently and you were right, you would need, okay, 2, 4, 6, about 2 months, and you would double your money in that particular amount. You would be doubling the money. So that's risking, let's see, $400. So we would be risking right at about right here, 512. And if we could double that and make it grow to number 10, see, that's how you do it. Taking a small amount of money and using that to consistently grow your account. Now, I will share with you different trades that I make as I go on this journey. I hope you are consistently going to be going with me on this journey. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Give me a big thumbs up if you like the content. And I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel. Right now, I have to go and pick up Timmy. But that's how you grow a small account. These are the 3 components of what you need: consistency, patience, and a goal. My overall goal is to get to here, to over $1 million. Now look, I am at $3,000, so I'm already between the 11 and 12, and that is just consistently just growing incrementally my account so that I can achieve my goal. I'll share with you my journey, and you can see it's not only doing the trades, it's putting additional money into the account, because especially when you're at these lower levels here, just contributing, and it's not even been a full year yet, I have doubled the $1,500. That $1,500 has been doubled already because I have 3,085. So anyhow, I wanted to share with you that. I mean, I think it's a very good thing to keep a journal, a notebook journal of trading, and I've got it in here, and this shows me what I need to do. And you don't have to lose the whole amount. If the trade starts going against you, then you just get out of the trade. But in 2 weeks' time, I could increase that little bit by about, I think it was like 26%. That's what I told you. Anyhow, we will see how this is going. Keep up to date. Follow me as I take this journey. Thank you, and give me a big thumbs up, comment below, and I'll see you again next time.